In the prior video, I showed you actually how to go through the student portal, go to Clever, and in turn to McInVIA, find a database, and then in turn put in research information in order to find sources. Now that part is something that is pretty simple. Anybody can find sources. And once you start to find sources, how you organize them has a lot to do with how you can refine your research. I'd like to share with you a quick organizational methodology that you might use. And again, if you choose to use it, that's great. And if not, then you use your own form of organization. But on my desktop, I'm going to right-click, New, and Folder. And then while it's in blue, I'm also going to type in Research Project. Then I'm going to double-click on the folder, right-click, then New, and Folder. And I'm going to title this Primary. Again, right-click, New, Folder. I'm going to entitle this Secondary. Then lastly, once again, right-click, New, Folder, and then I'm going to label this Alternative. So basically, as I go through my research process, I visit various databases. I can then decide if a source is going to be a good source. That's my primary. If it's like good but doesn't quite meet all of the necessary items that I'm looking for, I can place it in the secondary. And then if it's got some applicability but it still is lacking in some ways, I can place it into the alternative folder. So in order to do this, you go back over here and you pull back up our Gale database, and then I go to Download. When I download it, it places the item down here in the bottom right-hand left-hand corner. I then right-click, and then I can say Show in Folder, and then I can take this and I can drag it to my desktop, and then I can place it in the applicable folder. The last thing that I would suggest that you do is to remember, if you start to think that every single source is a primary, go back in after you've done some research and start to pull those back out and place them into the secondary and then into the alternative folder. Keep organized. Thank you.